morning and thank you for joining us for our first board meeting of the Harborview Hotel. Our mission is to delight our guests every time by creating exceptional experiences straight from our hearts. And the vision is to be the first choice for guests, colleagues, shareholders, and business partners. Today we will present to you the results from our last quarter and also the plans that we have for the next quarter. I will be talking to you about the renovations and rates. Jeff will be talking to you about the HR. Trina will be talking about F&B, and then we'll have Tiffany talking about marketing and advertisement, and we have Victoria talking about facilities. So for the renovations, since we're taking over the management of the Harborview Hotel, we have done the contract cleaning on services for front desk, meeting rooms, lobby, and public areas, and the soft goods renovation and restaurant. For the new quarter, we're planning on doing the soft goods renovation in the bar and the lounge. Further than that, we plan to save money to do the rooms renovations in the low season. So for the rates, together with F&B, we set the rates forecast at the beginning of the year, and since then I've only kept an eye on the forecast, but I haven't made any major adjustments there anymore. Now we changed the rates and the prices directly in the rate calendar when making decisions. The occupancy has gone up above 70%, therefore the rates are set to give the price reduction under 65% and price increase above 85%.
Then I'm going to talk about the staffing, and the staffing competency is currently 100 for all the department. But currently we are facing a turnover rate issue because some of the department turnover rate is quite high. So I will try to reduce the turnover rate as much as possible in order to reduce the future training costs and maintain the current hotel service level. And the data show that the guest satisfaction and the staffing competency are currently quite positive, and I believe that the pay structure is fixed at this moment. But I will try to make the best adjustment for the staffing level.
Very good morning, everybody. My name is Trina and I will be talking about the food and beverage department as well as the services. As for now, we don't have any available election options for improving our services. We will have to leave this for later improvements when we receive more funding. From the food and beverage side, we have increased our sales from the last quarter, but however, we are still the hotel with the lowest food and beverage costs overall, which means that we have to increase this slightly for the next quarter to make sure we don't fall behind and receive a bad reputation. Changes made in the last quarter has increased our reputation management as well in the food and beverage department.
Thank you, Tina. Now we're going to look over the marketing and the advertising. For the existing marketing, we do have the loyalty program, the performance benchmarking service, e-commerce service, and public relation agency. We're aiming targeting to also focus on the hotel website, since we can increase more guests to just directly book from our website as well. For the room advertising, for the market momentum through the online travel agency is quite high, but however for the direct one it was just above average. We're planning to aim more on the direct side so we can attract more guests and attract more loyalty guests just directly from our hotel website or through our call centers. And that's what we're planning to do for the next quarter.
Thank you. I'm Victoria and I'm the manager for the facility department. We have built the retail stores and parking for the past quarter, and they are generating profit smoothly. For the next quarter, our hotel would like to invest on the travel and tour desk in order to attract more customers and increase the reputation of our hotel.
Thank you for joining us.